Hello, this is Ed Burke with PlaceForTraders.com for Thursday, May 28th. Starting off in the June Mini S&P. In my last video, I talked about the pivot level for Wednesday of 899.5. Above 899.5 in the June Mini S&P was considered bullish for Wednesday. Below 899.5 was considered bearish. I had the first line of resistance up at 921.5. The first line of support down at 886.75. Now, these are 15-minute bars. This is where the regular trading session opened. You can see we're trading above the pivot level all early Wednesday morning going into that regular session open. When we're trading around that area of the close on Tuesday, around that 908 level, I did send messages out to people that the market was in a bullish mode over the pivot level. The market stayed above that pivot level despite a rather bearish existing home sales report that came out. Sales came out as expected. There was the bearishness came in with regard to the inventory, especially on the higher end. Homes over $750,000. They said there was 40 months of supply on the market, which was actually kind of bearish. But the market did drift a little higher, going up just over 912. Later on in the afternoon, after the 5-year note auction, we did see a sell-off in the market. With long-term yields rose and the market sold off. I did send messages out to people when we're selling off that I thought the market was going to turn bearish and stay under that pivot level. You could see that initially we broke down to the pivot level just below it, and then we popped back over there going to 902. Looked like there was going to be maybe some support with that pivot level, but you see another break later on in the day. The market went under that pivot level, going down to a low of 890.5, settling at 892.5 on Wednesday. For Thursday, market settled at 892.5. The pivot level is 899.5. Under 899.5 on Thursday is considered bearish. Above 899.5 in the June Mini S&P is considered bullish. I have the first line of resistance up at 908 even. Second level of resistance at 923.25. For support, I'm looking at the first level of support, 884.25. The second level of support at 875.75. Some numbers that come out, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, you have durable goods. The expectation is for unchanged. Durable goods ex transports also at 8:30. The expectation is for a negative 0.5%. Also, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, you have weekly initial jobless claims. The expectation is for 620,000. And then at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, you have new home sales. The expectation is for 365,000 units. Also, at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, you have the weekly oil numbers, the oil inventory numbers, crude oil and the products. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on and sign up for the free alerts. Thanks a lot and good trading.